and for the first time, we're extremely familiar with it. But it's a bit of an alternative glue 502. Why is it different? We can think of ordinary glue as a mixture of glue and water. When in a bottle, the water inhibits the adhesive from acting, and the material of the bottle. Generally, it is not easy to glue, an inert material in which water reacts chemically. But when the glue is poured out, water will evaporate. The polymer in the binder can be formed. Mutual pull. Stick things. That is to say, most of the watering is eager for the water to leave quickly. 502 is just the opposite. Water must be involved. Here's how it works. 1942. Chemist Harry Kuffo. In researching the history of transparent plastics used in sites, a chemical was synthesized. But at that time, Kuffo only thinks this thing easily sticks to other objects. Didn't take it to heart. Then in 1951, Kuffo's research team is again because of other projects, resurrected the substance. One day a member accidentally lived a $700 refractometer. That was a lot of money back then. But it also made Kuffo realize he might be able to use it as glue. And pretty soon, superglue was all over the world. Our country scientist Guzinbei also in 1964 developed a Chinese version of superglue. 502 glue, its key ingredients are alpha coefficient vinyl acrylate. Here's another little interlude. 502 glue is called 502. It was because of the Chinese Academy of Sciences at that time. The room number of the laboratory of the Institute of Chemistry is 502. Okay, back to business. Even a little water. The chemical components in superglue will react with it, forming a strong polymer, so as to quickly glue objects together. Therefore, when contained in a sealed bottle, 502 conditions under which no reaction occurs at all. But after pouring it out, moisture in the air, sweat on human hands, etc., can initiate polymerization. Speaking of which, does it bring back painful memories for many people? How to remove 502 glue from your hands. Friends with nail polish remover. You can try applying it to the adhesion. The acetone in it is an organic solvent. Can dissolve the polymer formed by 502. Finally, I would like to share with you two superglue uses you may not think of. So the first is tissue adhesives. During the Vietnam War in the 1960s, superglue was once used by the US military for field emergency hemostasis, and then more medicinal hemostatic drugs, and tissue adhesives were developed. The second is 502 glue smoked string method. In the late 1970s, British and Japanese researchers almost simultaneously discovered this amazing phenomenon. A drop of water and a drop of 502 can make fingerprints appear.